I often think with some of my work, to my eye, from what I've intended, there's a certain sadness to it, like being very happy and upbeat because you're trying to pull yourself up. You're trying to override your actual self-criticism and your doubt.
Well, hello again. It's time for another episode of Breaking the Blocks. I'm Rachel, your host for this podcast, and today I'm talking to Russell Barratt. Now, Russell and I had a lot of giggles in this chat that we had, and we talked about the love of 80s music and dancing around the kitchen with a wooden spoon, but we also, of course, talked about Russell's work and where he feels his inspiration comes from, as well as how he has overcome some blocks in his life. Now, one thing that I was really surprised about was that when Russell looks at his work, he sees a certain sadness to it. And of course, I asked him why, and the answer was really quite surprising. So hopefully you'll find it interesting and you'll stay with us for this episode as we meet Russell.